The Leopard 2 is a main battle tank developed by Krauss Maffei in the 1970s for the West German Army. The tank first entered service in 1979 and succeeded their earlier Leopard 1 as the main battle tank of the German Army. In September of this year, the German Armed Forces, or Bundeswehr, received its new batch of brand new Leopard 2A7V main battle tanks. The Bundeswehr's 393rd Tank Battalion in Bad Frankenhausen in northern Thuringia was the first unit of the German Armed Forces to receive the latest version of the Leopard 2 tank in the A7V configuration. In this video, we are going to take a closer look at this new tank and see what changes have been made. Before we get started, if you do enjoy this video and would like to see more just like it, remember to give us a like and subscribe to our channel to get more sent straight to your notifications. The Leopard 2A7V is a modernized version of the Leopard 2A6, already considered one of the best main battle tanks in the world. Introduced in 2001, the 2A6 version has been seen to even outperform the American M1A2 Abrams, British Challenger 2, and French Leclerc in terms of protection, firepower, and mobility. The Leopard 2A6 has been adopted by the militaries of not only Germany, but also Canada, Finland, Greece, Portugal, and Spain. The 2A6 has been considered one of the most traditional upgrades and built upon the 2A5 upgrade, which introduced major changes to the turret design, including giving the main battle tank its distinctive wedge turret. The main improvements to the Leopard 2A7 tank, already in service with the German Army since 2014, is a new armored modular system for the upper front glacis plate of the hull and a more powerful auxiliary power unit of the current APU used on the A7 model. The new Leopard 2A7V main battle tank has a total weight of around 60 tons, a height of nearly 2.5 meters, a hull length of nearly 7.75 meters, a width of 3.75 meters, and is powered by an MTU MB873 KA501 turbocharged diesel engine developing 1,500 horsepower. It can run at a maximum road speed of 68 kilometers per hour, with a maximum cruising range of 550 kilometers. The design of the Leopard 2A7V is similar to the Leopard 2A7, keeping a crew of 4, including a driver, located at the front right of the hull. The commander and gunner are on the right of the turret, and the loader on the left. The engine compartment is located at the rear of the hull and is separated from the fighting compartment by a fireproof bulkhead. The main armament of the Leopard 2A7V consists of a Rheinmetall 120mm L55 smoothbore tank gun, able to fire the latest Rheinmetall 120mm DM53 armor-piercing, fin-stabilized, discarding Sabo tracer ammunition. Using a non-depleted uranium penetrator, which gives the Leopard 2A7V a combat range of up to 5,000 meters, which is an additional combat range of 1,600 meters, and much better armor penetration characteristics. The secondary armament includes a 7.62mm Rheinmetall MG3 machine gun mounted coaxially to the left of the gun. Another 7.62mm machine gun can be mounted on the loader's hatch. The fire control systems of the Leopard 2A7V has been modified to program the DM11 high explosive round. The time delay fuse of the DM11 can be programmed after the loading to detonate at a specific point in the projectile's flight path. The round can be timed to explode for maximum effect either above, in front, or inside a target. This type of ammunition can be used to support infantry units and destroy fortified positions, as well as for engaging light and medium-weight armored vehicles. The Leopard 2A7V features include hull mine protection, upper glacis added modular armor, 20 kilowatt auxiliary power unit, high-performance power supply, 3rd generation Attica thermal imaging unit for both commander's independent sight and gunner's sight, Spectus multispectral driver's vision device, new nuclear, biological, chemical, and air conditioning systems, as well as the integration of C41 systems to meet the requirements of networked operations. This is the new digital command technology on the battlefield. With it, troops, from battle tanks to individual riflemen, can exchange important information in an uncomplicated and time-saving manner. This is supposed to give them a tactical advantage in battle. The system shows your own position and the positions of your own forces on the electronic map. Furthermore, guidance lines, tactical orders and commands can be transmitted. If an enemy is sighted, this can be marked on the map and transmitted to all other friendly forces. All these modifications and additional equipment has resulted in modifications to the rear of the turret, giving it a new, distinct look compared to the other Leopard 2 tanks. Also noticeable is that the added armor to the upper glacis is similar to that of the Leopard 2A6 EX, which Germany did not add to their Leopard 2A6. The baseline Leopard 2, sometimes informally called the AO, to differentiate it from later versions, was the first series-manufactured version. The vehicles were manufactured from October 1979 until March 1982, altogether 380 vehicles. Minor modifications and the installation of the gunner's thermal sight were worked into the second batch of Leopard 2 vehicles, designated the A1. Deliveries of the two A1 models began in March 1982. Next came the Leopard 2A2. This designation was given to upgraded vehicles of the first batch of Leopard 2s. This modernization gradually replaced the original PZB 200 sights with thermal sights for the EMS-15 as they became available. The upgrade also included the fitting of filler openings and caps to the forward hull fuel tanks to allow separate refueling, as well as the addition of a deflector plate for the periscope and a large cover plate to protect the existing NBC protection system. Finally, the tank was given new 5-meter towing cables with a different position. The Leopard 2A3 was delivered in December 1984. The main change was the addition of the SEM 80-90 digital radio sets and the ammunition reloading hatches being welded shut. The most widespread version of the Leopard 2 family, the 2A4 models, included more substantial changes, including an automated fire and explosion suppression system, an all-digital fire control system, able to handle new ammunition types, and an improved turret with flat titanium and tungsten armor. The Leopard 2 Marksman is a self-propelled anti-aircraft gun of Finnish origin. It combines the turret of the T-55 Marksman with the chassis of the Leopard 2A4. The new Leopard chassis greatly improves mobility compared to the older T-55 chassis, both on and off-road. The Leopard 2 chassis is also larger, thus providing a more stable firing platform for the Marksman turret to operate. The Leopard 2 Improved was a prototype series for enhancing the A4, introducing a wedge-shaped, spaced add-on armor to the turret front and the frontal area of the sides. This model was then developed into the Leopard 2A5. The 2A5 was significantly improved, with new side skirts being fitted and the interior of the vehicle being lined to prevent spalling. This model received a more powerful armament. It is fitted with an improved 120mm L44 smoothbore gun, and the fire control system is improved. The Leopard 2A5 can also be fitted with a deep wading kit. The Leopard 2A6 includes the addition of the Rheinmetall 120mm L55 smoothbore gun. The Leopard 2A6M is a version of the 2A6 with enhanced mine protection under the chassis and internal enhancements to improve crew survivability. The Leopard 2E is a derivative of the 2A6 with greater armor protection, developed under a program of co-production between the defense industries of Spain and Germany. Similarly, the Leopard 2PL is a Polish modernized version of the Leopard 2A4 tank, carried out in cooperation with Rheinmetall and the Polish Armaments Group. The new Leopard 2 Peace Support Operations variant is designed specifically for urban warfare. Therefore, it is equipped with more effective all-around protection, a secondary weapon station, improved reconnaissance ability, a bulldozer blade, a shorter gun barrel, non-lethal armament, close-range surveillance ability, a searchlight, and further changes to improve its perseverance and mobility in a built-up, non-wide-open area. The Leopard 2 is one of the world's most common main battle tanks, used by militaries on 4 continents. As such, the market for upgrades that bring the older versions up to the latest standards of protection and lethality is large. More advanced than the Leopard 2A7V is the Leopard 2A7 Plus, or 2A7Q, which was procured by Qatar. It features the same upgrades on the Leopard 2A7V, but has an even more powerful APU, so the air conditioning systems can be run when the tank is standing still. It also supports a remote weapon station on top of the turret that mounts an American M2HB 50 caliber machine gun for close protection and additional top attack protection. What do you think of the Leopard 2A7V and the rest of the Leopard 2 family? Are there any other feats of engineering you'd like to see us cover? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel to get our latest videos straight to your notifications. Thanks for watching.